Reg, when you get into an accident, what's the first thing you need to do?
The first thing you want to do is make sure everybody's okay. Everybody's safe.
Hey, Patrick!
You won.
He seems okay.
You know, we don't want people getting out of a car and getting into traffic or anything like that. So basically make sure everybody's safe and away from any danger. Depending on the size of the accident, if it's something that's fairly minor, meaning like a scratch on a bumper cover or something like that, you can compare your insurance data with the other person, take some pictures and be on your way.
Our picture is very important.
Oh, absolutely.
I'm not a good photographer.
Photographs are very important, not just the damage on the vehicle, but also the positioning of the car in the accident, whether it's a parking lot or on the street. We want to know where the cars are positioned, where they came from, and where they ended up at. So it's not just very close pictures of the car's damage. It's also stand back, take a picture of the scene. If it's something that's a little bit more major, it's a little bit of a bigger hit, you should reach out and contact the police and make a police report.
Okay, that is done.
Yeah, boy.
Right. And after that, the insurance company choose the collision repair shop, right?
Typically not. The insurance company may give you 2 or 3 options, but it's always, as the customer, as the owner of the vehicle, it's your choice where your car goes for repair. It's always the customer's right to choose.
But the most important thing is to have the right support from the beginning to the end.
Absolutely. The ProColor basically will follow from the first assignment, from the first notice of loss, to the follow-up on quality at the end of the returning the vehicle back to its pre-accident condition.
Awesome, thanks, Reg.
Thank you.
I think you missed something on this car. Oh, the license plate. I got it.
Yes.